What are the top two best crypto hardware wallets for beginners? Well, this is just our opinion, and we're going to go with the Ledger Nano S Plus and the Trezor Model T. Now, the Ledger Nano S Plus is a hardware wallet designed to securely store and manage a wide array of cryptocurrencies. Its feature set is that it has extensive cryptocurrency support. The Ledger Nano S Plus supports over 5,500 cryptocurrencies and tokens, providing flexibility for diverse portfolios. The Nano S Plus also seamlessly integrates with the Ledger Live app, allowing users to manage their assets, view real-time balances, and perform transactions with ease. It also offers enhanced storage capacity, allowing you to install up to 100 applications simultaneously, accommodating various cryptocurrencies as well. In terms of ease of use, the intuitive interface and straightforward setup process make it accessible for beginners. The Ledger Live app provides a user-friendly experience for managing assets. In terms of pricing, the Ledger Nano S is currently priced at $79 US. Next up, we have the Trezor Model T with a full color touchscreen, the ability to support over 8,000 coins and tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various ERC20 tokens. The Trezor Model T also offers advanced security features such as Shamir backup, providing robust protection for recovery seeds. In terms of ease of use, the touchscreen interface and comprehensive user guides make the Trezor Model T approachable for beginners, facilitating easy navigation and transaction management. When it comes to pricing, the Model T currently sits at $129 US. So in summary, both the Ledger Nano S Plus and the Trezor Model T are excellent hardware wallets for beginners. The Ledger Nano S stands out for its affordability and extensive cryptocurrency support, making it a versatile choice for those starting their crypto journey. The Trezor Model T, while more expensive, offers a more premium experience with its touchscreen interface and advanced security features, catering to users seeking additional functionalities. Your choice will, of course, depend on you. Thank you for watching. Do consider subscribing and hitting the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.